Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're gonna love it here, and if you're returning, what's up? For this video, I will be doing a glueless wig install. Very simple, easy, and low maintenance. Check out my description box down below for the direct link to this wig, and also feel free to use my discount code Heavenly in all caps for $100 off. So with that being said, if you would like to see the steps that I did to achieve this look, just keep on watching. The wig that I will be wearing for this video is from RPGSHOW. I received a black velvet dust bag, and inside was this box. They provided me with a magazine, which is new because usually her companies don't send stuff like this. So this was nice. They also provided a little bit of shampoo and conditioner along with this flyaway tamer, an elastic wig band with their logo on it, 2 wig caps and some lace tape, and last but not least, the wig. This is a 16-inch, 200 density, 13 by 6 glueless wig. The wig is pre-plucked and pre-bleached. As you can see, the knots are invisible, which helps give off that scalp realness. Oh, and I almost forgot, they also sent over this wig bag. This is used for storing the wig after wearing it so that it doesn't get damaged. Moving on to the tutorial, here I am taking my bonnet off. I did about 6 braids going straight back. I've been trying to work on my braid downs to get them nice and flat, especially when doing wig installs because I don't want the wig to look bulky because of my braid down. Before applying the wig, I'm going to go in with this oil to moisturize my scalp. So here I am adding that in between my braids. Since I no longer wear wig caps, I like to go in with an edge brush and brush my edges back. Once the hairs are all pushed back, I'm gonna go in with the Got To Be gel. I'm gonna apply that to my edges. Then go back in with my edge brush to brush everything in place. I like to go in with my blow dryer to dry the gel down to make sure that it isn't sticky before applying the wig. When putting on the wig, I like to flip it upside down and put my head down just so that I can get that glueless elastic strap in the back nice and secure and in place. Now that the wig is on, here I am just pushing all of the hair back out of my face, because the next step is cutting the lace. I'm gonna start off by cutting the little piece of lace that's in the back. Next, I'm gonna move on to cutting the ear tabs. It wasn't necessary for me to cut that much off. That's why it doesn't look like much of a difference. So here I am cutting the other side. I have now moved on to the center, and here I am cutting straight down the middle, then each side. I try not to cut the lace in a straight line because that makes the lace even more noticeable. Instead, I cut it kind of sloppy so that the lace can blend in with my skin a little more. Although this is a glueless wig, I will be going in with the lace tape only for the sideburns on each side. They are slightly raised, but nothing too crazy, honestly. The remainder of the lace will not require any glue, tape, spray, or anything to keep it down. The lace on this wig is Tinted Transparent Swiss Lace. With the lace already being pre-tinted, it was hard for me to blend it in with my skin. And especially with my ring light, overhead light, and vanity lights, you can definitely tell where I cut the lace. As you can see, it doesn't look terrible, and I made it look a little bit better once it was time to put on my makeup. Here I am doing the comb test to show that the wig is glueless, although I'm still gonna put on this elastic band just to try to help melt the lace into my skin a little more while I style the wig. First things first, I'm gonna get this part together. As you can see, there is a lot of parting space, which I love. I'm gonna clip my hair up and work in sections to get the top of the wig nice and flat. So as you can see, I am going in with my hot comb. And then I'm going to go in with my flat iron to kind of straighten everything out. I will also be going in with the flyaway tamer that RPGSHOW provided for me. It's portable, so you could take it on the go with you to help tame them flyaways. And let me tell you, this thing really works. And it isn't oily and super thick like how a wax stick is. It's lightweight, which means that it won't weigh your hair down. I'm basically going to continue the process and alternate between the hot comb and the flat iron until I am completely done with the left side of my head. Now that I've completed the left side, I'm gonna do the right side off camera. Now I'm just doing the final touches, running through my hair with the hot comb. Whether a wig is glueless and pre-styled, you always wanna go in and just add your special touch to it so that it can fit to your liking and your needs. So yeah, that's basically all there is to it. And with that being said, I would like to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The direct link to this wig will be down below in my description box, along with more affordable wigs. And don't forget to use my code HEAVENLY in all caps to get $100 off. Be sure to stick around at the end to get one last final look. And yeah, that's it. That's all. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.